Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I just wanted to show you what I finished doing with the Trapper Keepers. I stitched up all the layers except for two little panels, and I'll show you that in a minute. But I stitched all the outside layer pieces and the front and the back. I put the names on here. I also put the Minnie and Daisy cutout that I created on my Cricut. I added that to the front. I wanted to put it down on the bottom and we could still see our shakers and stuff like that. And then this one, I have the jump ring that I put inside or on the top to hang our dangle. So hopefully it doesn't mess this part up. I don't know what it's gonna look like, but we shall see. And then this is the same except for the color. I ran out of my other pink, so I had to raid my stash, and thank goodness I had some other pink. So it's a lighter pink, but everything is still basically the same. I just put their names on the flaps and added the die cut on the front. Now I printed these pieces on photo paper. My HP photo paper. So that's what I used, and these pieces are all layered up. So is the Minnie Mouse and Daisy Duck. And I put the ampersand right way up. I don't know why, but that's what I did. On this one, this binder or Trapper Keeper, I put the little doohickey on the back or on the back side of the Trapper Keeper, where this one is towards the front. You can see that. And I had to, because of that, I had to lay the name out a little different. So yeah, that's that. And the backs are the same, of course, still exactly the same. And yes, we have 3 inches, and I have that little Hello Kitty in here just to prop up this closure here, because this part is a softer cardstock than this one. So this one's sturdier, and this is still sturdy. It's just after you put all the creases on there, it's not as strong. So that is what I've got going on. And on the inside, let me move this over. On the inside, these are the 2 panels I said I didn't stitch because I don't think it's necessary, because this part I'm just basically covering up the little flange part here. So I just really wanted to make sure I covered that up. And I added them to either side of our hinge. I showed you earlier, there's the pockets, and I got all the stitching on here. On this Trapper Keeper, I remembered to stitch the pocket edge first before attaching all 4 sides to the back of the paper. So this is what looks different on the other one. So let me show you. So in here, the pockets are the same layout, except I did not remember to stitch my pocket before I added this all the way around, the stitching all the way around here. So, and then this one has, you know, I just used some leftover scraps from the printout and I covered this. So this one is a different print. The one on this one is a bow. So you can see the difference right there. And then I have to just add these on. And now we're ready to add our pages. I still got to remember to go to Dollar Tree and pick up some large binder rings again. So I love this one. I loved how this pink came out because it totally matches this print and cut that I used on my Cricut, because this is a printed font. I printed it out and then I had Cricut cut it. This one, I wish I had the same cardstock, either color. It's just I think I like this one better because it matches, but this one also, it's still pretty because it brings out that magenta that I brought into the collection, or into the shaker mix. So yeah, so that's it. And hopefully I'll attach this or something. I don't know. But that's it. I need to work on the insides now that my trapper keepers are not naked. If you were watching Eve's live the other day, you'll know what I was talking about, because I was the only one who had a naked trapper keeper. So anyway, that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button, join our crafty family, and hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load a new video or when I go live here on my channel. So yeah, hope to see you on the next crafty video. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.